देखिए हम अभी लोअर लेवल पे आए हैं. This is where we board the cruise and बोट का नाम है शोरलाइन साइट सीइंग एंड ये लगभग 75 मिनट्स का बोट राइड है. It takes to all the places in the downtown Chicago area and it's called the architectural tour. So there is also another cruise like a river cruise, but I don't think we got enough time to do that. Maybe we'll do it next time. And this is the nearby views. This is a happening place here. You see, earlier I showed you from the top level. Now you have come down here bottom. This reminds me of San Antonio river walk. It's the same. Okay. Looks like the boarding has started and running. Okay. We're going to board the boat now. Certainly there are a lot of spaces here. I don't know. Maybe I'll go to the front.
Thank you.
You're right. I can right on these here. Hi guys, welcome.
Hello.
Yeah, bedroom.
I do what I
All right. तो हम लोग यहाँ क्रूज पे आप सीख चुके हैं और हमने बहुत अच्छा जगह भी ले लिया था, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली अभी तक क्रूज शुरू ही होने वाला था और बारिश शुरू हो गई. तो हमें दौड़ के नीचे आना पड़ा. मम्मी पापा को नीचे बैठा दिया है और जय और मैं यहाँ से वीडियो लेने का कोशिश कर रहे हैं. ये आर्किटेक्चर टूर ऑफ शिकागो है, तो ये नदी के आसपास जो बिल्डिंग है उसके बारे में दिखाएंगे.
Yeah, love the honesty. And what their hate building with all the torn to the ground. Okay, good. Oh, we got one. Yeah. Just kidding. Just kidding. What are your goals for this special? This architecture is building heavy. So kind of like goal is what to happen is starting by let you know in the same exact spot. Maybe a little bit dry. The same skyline, third tallest building in the world. For scale, the Burj Khalifa is 2 times the size of that tower. Yeah, it's incredibly tall. And you know what? Tom Cruise still climbed the whole thing. What can Tom Cruise do, you know? Unlike cut his hair and like stay on an airplane. Tom Cruise. But this style of architecture, this glass architecture style, is a style known as contextualist architecture. Probably the biggest style in the world right now. The way that it works, contextualist style buildings use the context of the surroundings to inform design. Context, contextualism. If that makes no sense to you, here's a good rule of thumb. If a building is made in glass and within the last 40 years, it's contextualist. Like that one's a lot more mostly today. Alright, moving ahead. Now go to the left side now. Let's see over the next bridge on the left side. What I make it past the bridge. It has the brown stone one with the dome on top. The pink brown stone, the dome on top.
Time is around 7:40 and the lights are coming up downtown area, making a very pretty view.
Now, there was a really famous rumor that as the home remains speakeasy inside the top level.
देखिए हमारे समस्त लंदन हाउस can see all the
Super weird to look at, super unfair. Now they are known collectively as the Marina City, the whole Marina City. The Marina City in a elongated Roman temple, right? All sitting outside its temple like this. I would imagine personally, the new Pope was in Chicago in the 90s, saw that building ruins, gonna move to Rome one day. And he did it. He moved to Rome. You guys remember the Pope was from Chicago? After Chicago, we will never let you forget it. Right side past the bridge, a brick building called the Reed Murdoch, built in the year 1914. Gorgeous, really 100 decoration. Alright, let's pick it up. You guys always know umbrellas and know, like, just out in the rain. You're so great. Great for listening, guys. You can do it. You know what? It's pretty rain, right? It looks kind of like spooky, like we're in Paris, right? Yeah. Let's have bridges in the morning today. Now the bridge coming up ahead of us, right behind us, there are 37 bridges in Chicago, 37 bridges. And every single bridge is a moving bridge. Every single one has the ability to point. Now, Wolf Point is often known as the trophy case of Chicago. Looking around us here, guys.
अभी देखिए, very colorful building. There's so many bridges across the street here, throughout the canal.
One of the newest, most modern looking bridges. One of the most black ones are very, very new. On the right side here, to this northern city, most of the land a little bit into the bridge. It's called Wolf Point East and West Temple. The one ahead of us on the left. It's a brilliant office building, home to the company Salesforce, made of cork and horsehair insulation, which sounds weird, but it is. Now, it's stayed that way from the 1890s and 1970s, when 70 packaging needs to open, and then began to convert it into apartments. Now, the first thing to know is multi-building fall out. It took 6 months to fall the building. Great pause, and now you can live there. I'll be honest though, I don't even know myself. I was like, I can never live there. I think if I lived there, like a cow would probably watch me, you know? And when I, be like,
ये देखिए, Amtrak train station है.
So on the right side, maybe you're a fan of that band. That is Gotham City Bank from the opening scene of The Dark Knight. Yeah, I know. That's the cool man over here from right in that building. Heath Ledger was in that building. That's great. That song.
अभी थोड़ा बारिश कम हुआ.
Right? Yeah, maybe.
अभी का नज़ारा देखिए.
Alright,
Lights
back to
are
the end of
coming
the
up.
canyon here.
Still cloudy.
Echo.
Stop raining for the time being.
Actually, I looked one earlier. One right now. Right today, past the bridge, is
Still
a
got 30 minutes of
proud
the
favorite
cruise.
building called the Civic Opera House.
So let's see how it goes.
I got
ये देखिए.
Alright, back to the entrance we go. On the left again is a giant and beautiful merchandise mart, Art Deco architecture. The building is so large, I have to mention it twice. How big is that building? When it was built in 1930,
So
it was
we are
the
able to see
largest
the
building
lights,
by
downtown
area in
lights.
the entire world. It sits on 2 huge, huge, huge buildings. Oh, portion of the building is the warehouse and showroom. There's lots of offices. Actually, all of my friends who live there, give it up. It's snowing.
ये देखिए.
It's alright. It's rain. It's nice outside now. It's a beautiful skyline, a beautiful city. I love to be here. I really do. And they're inside. Alright. As we mentioned earlier, if you guys jump below, exactly amazing. I mean, world class view ahead of us. A great skyline view. Beautiful sunset going on. The rain is cleared up. We'll do for a second. There, we got another class. We got some neoclassical. Kind of house on top of it. We got all this stuff together. And then left, of course, we got the beautiful, bizarre, courtyard, Marina City, Brooklyn Towers. So classic Chicago. So famous. But now I'm going to show you all my favorite building on the Chicago River. And I'm warning you, I don't think you're gonna like it. Oh, that's powerful, yeah. It's okay. I'm hungry. I'm in Chicago. I should get some good local cuisine. Great idea. We have to try to cook some deep dish pizza, right?
There's a lot of noise going around.
Yeah. I'm serious though. Not to kill your fun, but I actually live in Chicago and I don't like deep dish pizza. I think it's too much pizza. You know pizza I like a lot? I love Costco pizza. $9 for a large, then regular Costco. Thanks for saying I came all the way to the city. I'm not going to Chicago.
Wszystko jest tego. Malarię. Bo widzicie, pan no to wiesz, tam są ładne punkty turystyczne, ładne plaże i tak dalej, ale widzianie, no.
ये देखिए फेरिस व्हील, चकडोल।
तो आपने अभी हमारा क्रूज देखा, बहुत उत्साह से एकदम एक्साइट होके हम लोग क्रूज में गए। अच्छा सा फर्स्ट सीट ले लिया, चारों सेट हो गए और क्या देखा, हाथ में टप टप पानी आना शुरू किया। ऊपर देखा तो अचानक बारिश, तो और फिर तो बहुत बारिश शुरू हो गया, तो हमें फटाफट नीचे जाना पड़ा। थोड़े दुखी हुए, बट बाद में इट स्टार्टेड क्लियरिंग अप और मम्मी पापा को आगे डेक पे बहुत अच्छा जगह मिल गया और हम लोगों ने पीछे से शूटिंग किया। तो इतना बारिश में भी कितना हो सके हम लोगों ने शूटिंग करके किया, जैसे आपने देखा। और भी देख रहे हैं मेरे पीछे एकदम अच्छे अच्छे से बिल्डिंग्स है और पूरा क्रूज था, उसने सब समझाया। और हमारे ये साइड पर आई थिंक कुछ टीवी चैनल का चल रहा है, तो बहुत ही प्रोमिनेंट जगह है ये। और या मज़ा तो आया। और यहाँ पे आप क्लॉक टावर देख सकते हो, ट्रम्प टावर देख सकते हो।
This is like a picture postcard.
सही में बहुत अच्छा क्रूज था। बारिश आया बट फिर भी मज़ा आया। और ट्राई करेंगे नेक्स्ट टाइम, अगर हम वापस डाउनटाउन में आएंगे तो एक और बार वो क्रूज करेंगे और एक और बार आपको दिखाएंगे पूरा। और मुझे पूरा क्रूज में जो अच्छा लगा वो यहाँ पे 1800 से लेके रिसेंट 2020 में एक बड़ा सा बिल्डिंग बना। सो यहाँ पे एक बार आप पूरा चलते हो तो पूरा हिस्ट्री से लेके आज तक का सब बिल्डिंग देखना मिलेगा, विच इज़ अमेजिंग। मैंने कभी ऐसा नहीं देखा है। इट इज़ बहुत अच्छे से वीव हो रहे हैं। लाइक आपको एक 1830 का बिल्डिंग मिलेगा, उसके बाजू में रिसेंटली बिल्ड आर्किटेक्चर मिलेगा, अगेन पुराना। सो ओल्ड आर्किटेक्चर और न्यू आर्किटेक्चर का जो एमालगम है, दैट वाज वेरी इम्प्रेसिव। सो
I
मिलते हैं
think
बाद
so.
में।
Yeah, we'll end the video here. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.